Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be doing a show and tell. I got some new product in from the online exclusives, so I'm going to be showing you that. But of course, before we get started, I've got to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Wrapped in Cheer paper pumpkin kit that has that's going to make 8 festive goodie boxes. It comes with the Mossy Meadow Stampin' Spot. Abundant Joy add-on dies are available, and those dies coordinate with October, November, and December paper pumpkin kits. And I do have a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program, where you earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. Redeem rewards on your future orders. Track and save those rewards in your online Stampin' Up account. Rewards expire after 12 months of the earning date, okay? And lastly, we have our mystery boxes. I still have mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that are stuffed full of new and used retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking just $35 for each box. Shipping is included. These boxes have about $200 worth of products in there, if not more. Some of them, because I just stuff it until I can't stuff it anymore. So this $35, that includes shipping, and shipping is about $20. This is a great deal, okay? So if you're interested, email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com, all right? And that is all of the buzzworthy business of the day. So let's get into the goodies, okay? So I unboxed them already. That's why I'm calling this a show and tell. So I'm just gonna, I haven't looked at anything though. I didn't open up anything. I just took it out the box. So I am going to start with this because it's on top. It's Lovely Doilies. It's like part of the Valentine's Day stuff. So you get 2 different sizes and 2 different colors. So the colors looks like petal pink, not petal pink, but pretty in pink maybe. Oh, bubble bath and real red. Okay, so there is a little design on here. I don't know if you can see the darker pink around the heart shapes. You could probably see it on the red one. Isn't that pretty? And so you get 2 different sizes of both colors. These are nice. And there was a cute little bear Valentine's stamp set, but I am trying to purchase things that I know I will use and get multiple uses out of. And this, the heart doilies, I can use this for more than just Valentine's Day. And I have other things that can go with it already, so that's what I'm going to do. Next, we have, a punch. I need, this punch goes with a stamp set, so I need to find a stamp. Sorry about all this noise. This is called the 3 banner punch because there's 3 banner punches. Let me see. There is a stamp set. Banners, sayings. So this is the new case for our stamps. All stamps are going to be photopolymer now. And the stamps, they just are like this. Okay? So the images are printed on the front only. But they're coming just like this now. So no matter, the dies actually come in the same exact envelope. So I have some dies too. So let's get to some of those so I can show you. But this is a bundle. You could either purchase them separately or together and save 10%. So that's one of the bundles that I got. Then I got these stamps, the Our Story. It's basically looks more like for scrapbooking, but I can make some cards with this. And I love this little label here and these leaves. I like this one. So hopefully you can see it's not too much glare on it. It says, Our Story, Forever, Friends, Family. The best memories are created with, then noted, and love, laughter, family, friends. This is us. And a little heart and a, what is this, a fleur-de-lis? Yeah, I like this. Next, we have this Lasting Linen stamp. So it's just a background stamp. And I think this is the first photopolymer background stamp. So, but it's just the linen. I like it. To add texture. I wish there was an embossing folder. Then I got the Delicate Framing. This one comes with the dies, but I did not get the dies because I know I wouldn't use them. But they're really cute. I just know my style of stamping, I wouldn't use them, even though I really like the way they look. But I love the 2 separate font styles on this stamp set. Big hug, simply the best. So very thankful. Here for you. So happy for you. Okay. And then we have pop-up petals. This is so cute. I love all the images in there. This also bundles with some dies that I did not get because I can fussy cut all this out with scissors. And the pop-up element, that's why it's called pop-up petals. They have a little die that can help you pop up. I can do it by hand. And I have to save money so that I can buy more products. So things that I can do without, I'm gonna do without. But I love these cute little images, and it's a 2-step stamping. Okay, so here's a bundle that I did get. Creative Haven. This is actually a whole suite. So let me get all the things for the suite. Yeah. So these are the dies, and you see they put the images of the dies now, but the cases are exactly the same for the stamp set. You see, they're exactly the same. So let's pull out the dies and see if anything is different about those. Nope, they're still on the paper. So I'll be tracing this on here, so I'll know how to put them back on. But yeah, those are the dies. So let's just slide them back in. Okay, in the stamp sets, you can see how they coordinate. Friends like you are golden. You're the best. Deep breath. You've got this. So happy to have you in my life. And you deserve all the good things. I love that. Okay, so let's take a look at this designer series paper. Oh, this must be a specialty because it has a cardboard. This is the Hobby Haven specialty designer series paper. And the colors in this are Basic Beige, Cajun Craze, Coastal Cabana, Daffodil Delight, Early Espresso, Garden Green, Lost Lagoon, Mossy Meadow, Pecan Pie, Petal Pink, and Secret Sea. Woo! Oh, yeah. It is specialty. It has die cuts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the first 2 pages, put them back here. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh. I like that. That looks like a stone sidewalk or something. The okay. This, is it called cobblestone? No, not cobblestone. But anyway, so hobbies. So this is like a day spa. This looks like somebody taking a spa. Yeah. Sleep mask, a comb, fruit, towels, like the little cream you might put on your face. Cucumber slices. And on the back of this is the watercolor wash. So we have those 2. And this one is cooking or baking. We have espresso machines, rolling pins, cookie sheets, all the things, teapots, mixers, bundt pans, bowls. Oh, and the back is this. Cute, cute, cute. I don't know what hobby this is. Oh, this is pretty. But chairs and plants. This hobby is lounging. I can get with that. And here's one. Oh, this is sewing. Iron, scissors, the needle cushion, yarn, the sewing machine, pencils. Yeah, this is cute. Measuring tapes, safety pins, and the backside. The backsides are really cute on these. And here's our specialty part, our die cuts. So it's 2 of the same. These are nice. Oh, and these are just plain white, these right here. So I guess you can color them if you want to, or leave them white. Woo! I don't want to pop any of them out. Okay, and this was the first page. The books. So this is for reading. A reading lamp, a bookmark, some flowers, glasses, a pencil, cup of coffee or tea, whatever you like. Oh, this is nice. This is a nice pack of paper. Okay. And then also in this suite, uh-oh, I'm getting caught on something. We have, let's see, one of the, I think it's the earthy matte dots. And I can't remember what colors they come in. But those are that goes with this. And then we have the garden green and white chevron ribbon. And this is a 1/8 inch ribbon. Ooh, nice small ribbon. I like it. So this is that. I think this all goes in one suite. If it's not, you'll see it online how it goes together. And then I got another bundle. This one is the Swirl Designs. I love, this is the stamp set. These are the dies. And the dies, you see these two would layer together and these two would layer together. These are cute. I like this. Look, just like background stuff. So I like that one. And then we had another suite, the Brushed with Beauty suite. And let me open this pack of paper. So I can show you that. So we have this sheet here. Oh, oh, that's pretty. Okay, and I like stripes too though. I have to pull it all out. So, oh my, this is so pretty. Why didn't this one sheet come out? Okay. I gotta keep myself focused because I'll start looking and thinking about what. Oh, I'm loving the coordination from the front and the back. This is pretty. Look at this. Is this the same pattern as the yellow? It's just in a different color. Look at that. Oh, we have to go over the colors that's in this paper. Oh my. You know, people always complain that there's too much flowers. There's always flowers, but they're beautiful. How can you not like the flowers? Oh, this is nice. Really nice. The colors in this paper are Calypso Coral, Darling Duckling, Early Espresso, Lost Lagoon, Mossy Meadow, Old Olive, Petal Pink, Secrecy, and Very Vanilla. These are pretty. And then they have some embellishments. These are the Pearls of Beauty that go with this suite. And then we also have the Beautiful Pattern Embossing Folder. And it feels like it's 3D. It's really thick, but it doesn't say 3D on the packaging. But yeah, and it says this is shown at 60%. So I guess the squares are going to be bigger. Not squares, but the diamond shape. This is pretty. So this goes in this suite. I did not get the rest of the items in this suite though. I didn't get everything right now. I'm going to order more later. But right now, this is what I got. And then I also went ahead and picked up the dies for this quarter for October, November, and December. And these are the Abundant Joy dies for the Paper Pumpkin Kit. Yep. And so it's going to coordinate with those 3 months of Paper Pumpkins. So if you're not already a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, I encourage you to do so because it's simple stamping. Everything is pre-designed for you. But I also, most of the time, make alternate videos to give you ideas, just in case you don't want to make what the kit makes. I give you some alternate ideas. But that is it, you guys. That is what I ordered this go round. So customers can start ordering right now, today. So if there is anything that in this video that you've seen that you like, please place an order with me. I would love to have you as a customer. Okay, so okay, guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.